Good evening friends, I am Vikas Kumar. Now I am going to discuss about number of electrons, protons, neutrons in atoms, molecules or ions. After that we will discuss about some questions or previous year questions of NEET entrance exam. See here, number of electrons. First, we can find number of electrons in atoms. As for example, atoms. Sodium, potassium, calcium, these are the atoms. Here formula is X is symbol, and after that here atomic number denoted by Z is equal to number of protons is equal to number of electrons, because no any charge is present. After that here we can write mass number, atomic mass number, sum of denoted by A, sum of number of neutrons plus the number of protons. Okay. Here, in case of sodium, atomic number is 1 and mass number is 23. Electron is 11, proton is 11, and neutron is 23 minus 11. It means 12. Because here, atomic number 11. Z 11, number of protons 11, number of electrons 11, and number of neutrons is equal to N is equal to A minus P. Here A is 23, A is 23, A is 23, P is 11, and neutron is 12. Now again we can find in potassium electron, protons and neutrons. Okay. Atomic number 19, atomic mass 39. Electron 19, proton 19 and neutron 39 minus 19. So answer is 20. After that we will discuss about calcium. Atomic number 20, mass number 40. Electron, proton and neutron is electron is 20, proton is 20, and neutron is 40 minus 20. Here, neutron is 20. So, in case of atoms, we can find with the help of these concepts easily electrons, protons, and neutrons. Now, we will discuss about number of electrons, protons, neutrons in molecules. In molecules. Dear students, there are two types of molecules. One is homomolecules, another is heteromolecules. Homomolecules are molecules of elements and heteromolecules are molecules of compounds. Suppose, in case of molecules, okay, homomolecules, heteromolecules. Group of atoms is called molecule. Group of atoms is called molecule. Here homomolecules are grouping of same type of atoms. Example of same type. Here by grouping of H and H, H2 molecule is formed. O and O, O2 molecule is formed. N and N2 molecule is formed. These molecules are molecules of homomolecules and these are elements. Molecules of elements. After that we will discuss about heteromolecules. These molecules are composed by different type of atoms. HF molecule, H2O. In case of H2O, H plus O. These are the heteromolecules. NH3, CH4, these are the heteromolecules. These are the molecules of compounds. Now, how we can find number of electrons in these molecules? One by one we will discuss. Okay. So, in case of homomolecules, you can take a screenshot. You can write example of homomolecules here. Okay. In case of homomolecules, suppose H2 composed by H and H atom, atomic number 1 mass, atomic mass number 1. Okay. Electron is 1 plus 1. Electron is 1 plus 1. Proton is 1 plus 1. And neutron is 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1. So 0 plus 0, it means 0. Here result is 2 and 2. So 2 electrons, 2 protons and 0 neutrons are present in H2 molecule. Okay. Now we can see another example. In case of O2, O2 molecule formed by the mixing of 2 oxygen atoms. Oxygen, atomic number 8, atomic mass number 16, 816. Here, this is atomic number, means Z, means total number of protons, means total number of electrons. Here protons is equal to 8 plus 8, electrons is equal to 8 plus 8, and neutrons is equal to 16 minus 8 for this oxygen, plus 16 minus 8 for this oxygen. Okay. Now 8 plus 8 is equal to 16. Here 16. So finally total number of protons 16, electrons 16 and neutrons 16 present in O2 molecule. Okay. With the help of this type of explanation, we can find number of electrons, protons, neutrons in N2. Okay. In case of N2, N2 composed by nitrogen and nitrogen atoms. Here 7 14, 7 is atomic number, 14 is atomic mass number, electron 7 plus 7, 14, proton 7 plus 7, 14, and neutron is equal to 14 minus 7 plus 14 minus 7, 7 plus 7 is equal to 14. Okay. So this is the explanation of homomolecules, and with the help of these explanation we can find electrons, protons and neutrons in homomolecules. After that we will discuss about in case of heteromolecules how we can find electrons, protons and neutrons. In case of heteromolecules, in case of HF molecule formed by the combination of hydrogen and chlorine atom. Atomic number 1, atomic mass number 1. Here atomic number 9, atomic mass number 19. So electron is 1 plus 9, proton is 1 plus 9 and neutron is 1 minus 1 plus 19 minus 9. Here 10, electron is 10, proton is 10 and neutron is 0 plus 10 is equal to 10. Okay. So 10 electrons, 10 protons and 10 neutrons are present in hydrogen fluoride molecules. Now once again we will discuss about electrons, protons, neutrons in H2O molecule. In case of H2O, it is composed by H and O atom. Atomic number 1 8, mass number 1 16, electron 1 plus 8 10, proton 1 plus 8 10, and neutron 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 16 minus 8 is equal to 0 plus 0 plus 8 is equal to 8. Okay. So in H2O water molecule, total number of electrons 10, protons 10 and neutrons is 8. With the help of these explanation, we can easily calculate total number of electrons, protons and neutrons in ammonia, CH4 methane and so many other molecules. After that we will discuss about ions. Okay. Number of electrons, protons, neutrons in ions. Now in case of ions, there are two types of ions. First is cation, another is anion. Whenever in atom positive charge is present, it is called cation. Whenever in atom negative charge is present, it is called anion. In case of ions, cation and anion. Okay, positive ion and negative ion. Okay, sodium, potassium, calcium, aluminium, these are the example of ions or cations. Now chloride ion, oxide ion, nitride ion, these are the example of negative ions. Now we can find electrons, protons and neutrons. In case of cations, okay, sodium, here atomic number 11, atomic mass number 23. In case of potassium 19, 39. In case of calcium 20, 40. In case of aluminium 13, 27. Here these are atomic numbers. Z means atomic numbers, means number of protons, okay, but not here electrons equal to proton. Electrons, protons are not equal, because cations are formed by the removal of electron from the atom, okay, and ions are formed by the gain of electron by the atoms. So here electrons, protons and neutrons each. Electron 11 and due to positive charge -1, because sodium ion formed by the loss of one electron by sodium atom. Okay, here 10, proton is 11 and neutron is 23 minus 11. So answer is electron 10, proton 11 and after that neutron 12. Now in case of potassium, electron 19 minus 1, 18, proton 19 and neutron 39 minus 19, 20. Here electron 20 minus 2, it means 18, proton 20 and neutron 40 minus 20, it means 20. Okay, here electron 13, proton 13 minus 3, okay, 10. Electron is 10. Proton is 13. Neutron is 27 minus 13. It means 14. With the help of these explanation, we can easily understand how we can find number of electrons, protons and neutrons in cations. Okay. After that we will discuss about in case of anions. We can take a screenshot. Now we will discuss about number of electrons in anions or negative ions. In case of fluoride, oxide and nitride, electron, proton and neutron. Here atomic number 9, 19, atomic mass number 8, 7, 4. Electron is 9 plus 1, 10. Proton is 9 and neutron is 19 minus 9 equal to 10. Electron is 8 plus 2, 10. Proton is 8. Neutron is 16 minus 8. Electron is 7 plus 3, 10. Proton is 7 and neutron is 14 minus 7. So we can easily find number of electrons, protons and neutrons in atoms, molecules or ions. We can easily find number of electrons, protons and neutrons in atoms, molecules or ions. Now we can easily find, we can easily calculate, we can easily solve any problems of NEET entrance exam or previous year questions. So many questions